My topic is genetically modified organisms. I will be focusing on genetically modified organisms in especially agriculture sector. So in agriculture sector, there is also pros and cons of genetically modified organisms. I still remember the first time when in our newspaper there was a news that a famous agriculture scientist of Bangladesh Agriculture University, he actually invented the genome sequence of jute. And as we all know, jute is actually the golden fiber in according to the economy of Bangladesh. So after using genetically modified organism, he actually, invented a revolutionary idea in the agriculture sector, which later on actually had a great impact on our economy and which actually increased our GDP as well. So genetically modified organism means actually modifying or altering a specific living organism, especially in agriculture sector. There are many kind of vegetables as well. For example, we can see that tomato is actually considered a vegetable of winter season, but nowadays we can actually enjoy tomatoes all over the season. This is actually one of the significant aspect of genetically modified organism used in our daily life.